Welcome to a toothpaste factory. Production starts with strict hygiene. Clean entry systems keep the environment controlled.
Ingredients arrive sealed and tracked by batch.
Every delivery is verified and recorded.
Silica gently removes plaque and surface stains.
Glycerin keeps toothpaste smooth and prevents drying. Binders control the paste structure and stability. Flavor systems are prepared separately for a fresh mint taste. Active ingredients are handled carefully and measured with precision. Quality control begins in the lab, checking purity and basic properties.
Tests like pH and viscosity ensure consistent performance batch to batch.
Only approved materials are released from quarantine to production.
Now we move to the heart of the factory, the mixing area.
The process starts by adding purified water to build the base.
Next, humectants are added to improve texture and moisture retention. Mixing begins slowly to blend evenly and reduce air entrapment.
Powder ingredients are fed through closed systems to control dust.
Abrasives go in step by step to keep the formula smooth and consistent.
Thickeners are carefully dosed to achieve the final paste body.
Vacuum mixing helps remove trapped air, preventing bubbles in the tube.
Over time, the mixture transforms into a uniform, creamy paste. Operators control temperature and speed to protect ingredients and texture.
In-process samples confirm the batch is on target before the next step.
Technicians check look, smell, pH, and viscosity to confirm consistency.
Surfactants help the paste spread and create a gentle foam during brushing.
Active ingredients are added at controlled timing for reliable performance.
Then flavors are blended in. This is where that fresh scent really appears.
For striped toothpaste, a colored gel is prepared in a separate batch.
The gel must match the main paste, so stripes stay clean during filling.
Once mixed, the toothpaste is transferred through sealed lines to storage tanks. Inline filtration helps remove any unwanted particles before filling. A finishing step improves smoothness and ensures uniform texture. Microbial testing confirms the batch meets strict hygiene requirements. After final approval, the batch is cleared for packaging. Packaging begins as empty tubes are fed into the line automatically. The system positions every tube precisely to prevent mess and defects. Filling nozzles dispense an exact dose to keep weight consistent. For striped toothpaste, multiple streams fill together so the stripes stay perfectly even.
Sink looks good. Keep it steady.
Next, the tube is sealed, locking in freshness and preventing leakage.
Seals clean.
Each tube is coded, so it can be tracked back to the exact production batch.
Batch confirmed. Logging now.
Vision systems inspect print quality, seal integrity, and alignment.
All green. Keep the line running.
Any tube that fails inspection is removed instantly.
Reject one. Lines clean.
Operators also perform spot checks to verify the automated results.
Seal and code look good.
Check weighers confirm every tube meets the exact weight requirement.
Weights are holding. Now, cartons are formed and prepared for tube insertion. Cartons are feeding clean.
Machines place each tube into its carton at high speed.
Insertion synced.
If required, an information leaflet is added inside the carton. The carton is closed and sealed to stay secure during transport.
Seals holding.
Finished cartons move forward in perfect flow for the final packing steps.
Flow stable.
Cartons are bundled together to make handling faster and safer.
Wrap is tight.
Bundles are packed into larger cases designed for shipping protection.
Case count matches. Cases are sealed and labeled with product details and batch information.
Label applied. Seal complete.
A palletizer stacks cases evenly to reduce damage and improve storage. Pallets are stretch wrapped to keep the load stable in transit. Wrap tension set.
Finished goods are stored in a clean warehouse, ready to ship.
Ready for dispatch.
Trained operators move pallets carefully to keep products safe and intact.
Pallet moving through aisle 3.
Load secured. Send it.
Finally, pallets are loaded onto trucks and dispatched to retailers. From raw ingredients to a sealed tube, every step is measured and controlled.
That's the standard.
Precision mixing and quality checks help deliver the same results every time.
Testing continues even after filling to confirm the product meets standards.
Results are within spec.
Automation speeds things up, but people still monitor every critical stage.
All stations normal.
Different formulas are made by adjusting ingredients for specific needs.
Gel, sensitive, whitening, 3 targets, same line.
After production, equipment is cleaned and sanitized for the next batch.
CIP cycle running.
That's how toothpaste is made. Clean, consistent, and ready for daily use.
For more behind-the-scenes processes, subscribe.
Tell me in the comments, what factory should we visit next?
Line looks good.